The guaranteed rates here in Minnesota have been a drastic improvement to driver earnings, and just this week I had one of my best earnings weeks ever. Let's discuss. The guaranteed rates were implemented here just over a year ago, December 1st of 2024. And again, those guaranteed rates are 31 cents per minute and $1.28 per mile during period 3 when transporting a passenger. And I haven't done an annual analysis yet, but I'd say my earnings on average for the year are about $28 per hour. Compare that to November of 2024, the month before the guaranteed rates were implemented, where I was averaging $21 per hour. That's a 33% increase. And 2024 was my first year in my 10 years of driving rideshare at that point where bonuses were not being consistently offered. Those bonuses were almost completely off the table in 2024. So I'm looking at these guaranteed rates as a way to earn those bonuses again after Uber and Lyft pulled them away for a year. And just this week, again over a year after the guaranteed rates were implemented, I had one of my best earnings weeks ever. And December has always been my busiest month of the year, but this December I was actually able to accept those longer rides again. Before the guaranteed rates, I wasn't accepting the longer rides because the upfront fares on those longer rides were not good at all. And now since the guaranteed rates were implemented, those longer rides are paying better than ever, better than any time during my 11 years of driving rideshare. Now we'll go over my data for the week. Again, I drive Mondays and Tuesdays, typically from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., about 20 hours for the week. On Uber in ride earnings alone, I earned $242.31. My tip earnings were $52 for total earnings of $294.31. I had online hours of 8.75, so that's $33.64 per hour. My average on-trip miles during period 3 when transporting a passenger were 10.19 with an average duration of 18 minutes. I gave 13 rides, and of those 13 riders, 5 riders tipped. On Lyft, I had ride earnings of $287.90. Tip earnings of $33.72 for total earnings of $321.62. My online hours were 9.5, so my hourly rate was $33.85 on Lyft. My average on-trip mileage on Lyft was 14.38 with an average duration of 25 minutes, and I gave 12 rides, and of those 12 riders, 5 of them tipped. So total for the week, $530.21 in ride earnings, $85.72 in tip earnings, total earnings of $615.93, total online hours of 18.25 with an average hourly rate of $33.75. My average on-trip mileage between both platforms was 12.29 with an average duration of 21.5 minutes. I gave 25 total rides, and 10 of those riders tipped. So earning almost $34 per hour between both platforms, I only gave 25 rides, but most of those rides were long rides, an average trip of 12 miles. Back in the days of bonuses, I could earn this amount, but I would have to probably give 40 rides in order to earn this amount. This week, I only had to give 25 rides, and overall, just a great driving week. 40% of passengers tipped. I had great passengers overall. One passenger gave me a $20 cash tip, and then they tipped me $6 in the app too. Now also, we do have that top-off structure here, so not every single fare is priced to the guaranteed amount. So every 2 weeks, if we haven't been paid to that guaranteed amount, we are topped off to that amount. So in turn, I'm declining almost every request that comes in that's less than 5 miles, and my acceptance rate on Uber is 46%, and on Lyft it's 48%. So I'm still declining a good amount of rides even under the guaranteed rate structure because those minimum fare rides will pull from my top off. On a longer ride where I should be topped off to a certain amount, if I give that shorter minimum fare ride, that's going to pull from earnings that I've already earned by giving that longer ride. But overall, these guaranteed rates have been the best change that I've experienced in my 11 years of driving for Uber and Lyft. And I'll say it for the 20th time, guaranteed rates should reach every single market. All drivers should experience compensation like this. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on my idea of a perfect ride, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.